So me and Jack have come out to Porth Dafarch and we're going to go do a bit of coasteering. You're looking forward to this, aren't you, boy?
Oh, it's cold.
It's lovely and warm. What are you talking about? So first time round here this year for me, but looking forward to a bit of fun out on the sea today. Oh, it's a big compass jellyfish. Let's have a quick look at this. Oh, is it compass? Can't see. Right, here is Sally we've caught up with, who's going to jump in the water now and show Jack how not to be a wuss.
It's in there? Yeah.
Okay.
Are we going?
Hey. Oh, so much for the big diver, the big scuba diver.
Oh, yes, there's a drop.
Not a drop, it shuts off there. So you're enjoying it now that you're warming up a bit? You want me to go first?
I can see too.
Oh.
What?
Let me have a look. Can you see? Because I'm beginning not to. Yeah, so we're not going to go any further than that because it's pitch black up there. But it comes to an end very shortly after that.
What's that about? It's like we're going to a cable.
Jack and Sally going together into a better jump now.
You'll be fine, Jack. Hurry up.
Go, Sal.
3, 2, 1.
Whee! Good jump. Incoming. Splash zone. So it's lovely here now. The sun's coming out. It's nice and warm. Oh, I'll just blow my nose on camera. Don't like I did. Dive along, not down. So out and along. Aim to like skim a stone across the water. Oh, hold on. I did not do it like that. Okay, that was not how I did it. Yeah, we're on the Porth Dafarch coasteering route that I used to run ages ago with groups. I haven't done it for a while, but it's something I like doing every year. So.
Are we going back this way?
We can, if you want to swim back across, we will. But by the time you've done the next one, it's probably a little bit higher. Hey, nice. Have a look up. Are you ready?
Don't count, I'm not counting. Wait. My man.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Go.
No.
3, 2, 1, go. I want the look of fear on it.
Oh yeah, the facial expression.
Okay. There's a few coming in now. So that's where we want to jump off, but I'm not jumping off there because we'll just get face full of jellyfish. So we might just have to make do with the end at the moment. come across here. It's alright, it'll burn off.
Still looking for jellyfish.
No, not yet, not. Can I go like that or not?
No, we don't do that.
So I just jumped?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
2, 1, go!
Ready for the tsunami then, Jack? Jackie, tsunami time.
Huh?
That was good fun, wasn't it? So we finished that. That was really good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Did you like that?
yeah,
We're going to do it again.
maybe.
Good fun. You did really well.
Sick. To be fair, like.
I got that on camera as well.
This shouldn't really be a problem.
So go in the middle, you're in the wrong place. Go to the middle of that bar. Go to the middle more. Oh, I said you were a jellyhead.
Wow!
You waited for some surf, dude.
Yeah, that's totally rad.
Don't think we're going to see much surf. Little wave. Whee! Oh, it's getting shallower. I might end up having to abandon ship. What I don't want to do is go too fast. Yes, it's very shallow there. We're going to make it. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, oh no, not through yet. Yeah. So then shall she switch back to paddle? And paddle. You get that going quite fast actually. Jack.